fuck you do that shit, man? You're scaring the shit out of me, man. Fuck! Hi, sorry. That scares the shit out of me.
It's alright. Hey guys, Backyard Tricks here. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the swing 900 as requested. So first, when you're landing this move, you want to start off with the prerequisites. So what are the prerequisites for the swing 900 round kick? The prerequisite for the swing 900 round kick are the 360 twist spin vertically and the pop 360 round kick and the backside 900. I don't have a good backside 900, but we will go through it regardless. Now, first of all, you want to be able to do the 360 twist. And when you're practicing for the swing 900, you need to be standing on a backside stance when you're doing the 360 spin or the twist. Now, with the twisting, there is a way or a method to twist. You bring your bicep in and throw a round hook punch. You wanna bring your bicep in, throw a hook punch, and push to your left shoulder if you're right-hander. If you're left-hander, you do the opposite because you twist to the right. Now, stand on the backside stance. Be in a twisting position with your arms to your side. Bring it in with the bicep, hook punch, twist. So, I'm on my backside stance with my left leg in front, and I'm gonna twist to the left and do a complete 360 in the air. If you can go a bit further than a 360, you can do that. But keep practicing the 360, get comfortable doing the 360 so you don't get dizzy when you're doing the swing 900. Okay, so 360, like so. Keep practicing that. Now, the second prerequisite is the pop 360 round kick. If you don't know how to do that, there's a tutorial in this channel. Look it up, know how to do that. Now, combine the 360 spin, and once you complete the 360 rotation in the air, come out with a round kick. So it should look something like a backside 900. So 360 combined with the pop 360 way of doing it, come out with the backside 900. So it should look something like this. So keep practicing the backside 900. If you can already do that, you don't have to learn this prerequisite. Just move straight with the backside 900. Now that you know how to do the backside 900 or something similar to that with a 360 where you take off from a backside stance, now it's time to incorporate that with the swing takeoff, and that's how you get the swing 900. Swing 900 is a backside 900. Swing 900 is a backside 900 of one leg. That's the difference. So first you need to learn how to do the swing. If you don't know, put it on the comment below. I'll make a standalone tutorial, but I'll make a quick one for you. Swing takeoff or the J step. You want to be able to make a semicircle. All right, if I go around like that, that's a full circle. Semicircle is an halfway. So you want to run however you want, but every time you launch, you have to go full semicircle, right? So I want to run however I want, and then I want to step in front and do a second step. Time to swing into a 360 takeoff. Run however you want. First step, second step, swing. All right, so the swing setup is a semicircle, but you take off with the 2 steps. Run however you want. Step, step, arms at the back, swing, and you take off. That's the swing takeoff. Now you know the swing takeoff. Swing high and jump off the leg on the ground, right? So you want to swing and jump at the same time. But your main focus should be about the twist. Once you know how to do the twist, swing and all this is something that you can work on, because those things are to do with your height. The main difference is the technique, which is the twist, and I've described earlier, bicep hook punch. That's the important part, where you twist and make sure to hold this to your chest every time you twist. Because if you drop your hands, you're gonna drop everything in the air and you're gonna fall straight down. If you don't know how to progress or how to work on your progression, watch my Swing 900. I started off vertically. I didn't just swing and one day, you know, did it cool looking horizontal Swing 900. No, it didn't start off that way. I started off just practicing vertical 360 of a swing takeoff. And then slowly but surely, I started gaining confidence as I went a little bit higher, swing a little bit more, twist a little bit harder. That's when I started playing around with a round kick, once I gained that height. So if you think of it as a backside Swing 900, that's gonna look even way cooler. This is a backside Swing 900. You see how easy it is? So why is it a backside Swing 900? Let's look at it a little bit more deeper. Semicircle, 2 steps. 1, 2. You want to be able to swing at this point. Swing, all right, twist. But when I swing at the peak of the swing, I'm in a backside stance. Let go, left leg in front, backside stance. Run in, step, step, swing. At the peak of the swing, I let go, backside stance. So if I hold it at the peak and start wrapping in with one leg at the backside stance, it's gonna look like a backside 900. Like so, swing, backside stance, twist, come out with a round kick, swing 900 or swing backside 900. And this brings us to the final point, which most people find it difficult to understand. And this part is the commitment issue. Commitment issue. How do I swing and start throwing it? Well, you can start off this way, and I'm gonna risk my legs and ankle for you. So all I did right there was just lean to the side. So that's why I was keep falling. So what you need to do is you need to stand upright every time you do it, because when you swing and stand upright, you don't have to really kick high. You can just go into the backside 900 like that, and it's gonna turn out to be a Swing 900, all right? Like so. Look, all I'm trying to say is just the backside 900 of one leg is what the Swing 900 is. If you think too much, you're gonna confuse it, all right? So just practice the prerequisite that I mentioned, the 360s, to get comfortable with the twist. Bicep, hook punch, comfortable with the twist, all right? Now you can do the pop 360 round kick and then move on to a backside 900. If you can already do that, good, you there. Now, time to combine the backside 900 with the swing takeoff. With one leg, you can be able to do a Swing 900. So backside 900 of one leg is a Swing 900, all right? So once you understand that, it's cool. You can play like that. You can slowly build the confidence. You can get it a little bit higher, and it's gonna look something like this. Which is the Swing 900. So it's not that hard. Like I just demonstrated to you, it's not that hard, all right? Don't think too much. Just go and do it, all right? Fall a little bit, use a crestment. If you have a crestment, something to fall on, you can swing and fall on, all right? And that will give you confidence to go even higher and start coming with a round kick, and you start learning it. If you have a gym, good. You can learn it in one day, easy, just like that. This is soft grass. I'm using this, but what you need to do, find something soft, just for the sake of building confidence, and start landing. All right, control land. I'm not flipping, I'm not doing crazy, I'm not seeing anything, I'm not seeing the sky spinning, because I'm comfortable with my twist. I'm confident throwing the twist. That's why I know I'm falling like to the side, because I'm twisting. That's why I have my hands ready to catch me if I fall. If you're struggling trying to get it horizontal, fine, you can do it vertically. But for me, as you've seen, vertically doesn't turn out right. All right, because I slightly lean, because I have to lean to get the kick higher. But you can do it vertically if you want. All right, and you will turn out to be like that, or you can get it a bit higher and you can turn out to be really cool. All right, vertically you can fall a little bit, but you can still find the coordination to throw it. I don't know if I throw a round kick, but you get the picture, right? You can find the coordination. You can see yourself, see the ground, and don't try to lean too much. You lean only when you take it to the like a hair, right? Only when you take it up, that's when you lean. All right, so understand that, and make sure to practice it safely, because it's an easy move, and I want you all to learn the swing 900. Everybody watching this, you have to. There's no way you're not gonna be able to once I just told you it's just the backside 900. All right, so everybody learn this and get it down, and I want to hear from you. If you did, put on a comment below that this tutorial or this video helped clear the mental block of this move, and now I'm able to do it. So that's good. But if you're struggling with the twist in terms of the takeoff, the swing setup, or the round kick, or whatever it is that you're confusing with, put it in the comment below. If it's the swing, I'll get to you and I'll help you do it. If it requires a video response, I'll do it specifically for the swing, for the twist, whatever it is, concerns are, put it in the comment below and I'll get to you. Anyways guys, Back to Tricks here.